Royal Enfield has once again increased the prices of the Meteor 350 range in India. This is the second price hike announced for the motorcycle in just 2 months. Earlier in July 2021, the company had increased prices of the Meteor 350 by up to over 10,000 rupees, whereas the mid-spec Stella variant is offered at 2,05,000 rupees. At the same time, the top-spec Meteor 350 Supernova will now cost you nearly 2,15,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Morris Garages India will be finally pulling the drapes of the much anticipated MG Astor compact SUV later this week. The Astor, which is essentially the petrol version of the ZS EV, will make its India debut on September 15, 2021. While the car maker has not announced details regarding price announcement, we expect the new SUV to go for sale in India in the next couple of weeks. The upcoming MG Astor will be one of the most tech-oriented products from the car maker. In fact, it will also come with an Indianized AI-powered personal assistant along with level 2 autonomous technology with advanced ADS features and a lot more. The Astor will also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard across all trims. Ola Electric has announced that its upcoming manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu will be entirely run by women employees. The company's chairman and group CEO Bhavish Agarwal announced on social media that the plant will be hiring more than 10,000 women employees for its operations. With this, Ola Electric's future factory, which is set to become the world's biggest EV plant, will also become the largest all-women factory on the planet. The first batch of women employees at Ola Electric's manufacturing plant have already been included on rolls. Spread across 500 acres, the Ola Future Factory will initially start with an annual production capacity of 10 lakh units, which will be scaled up to 20 lakh units depending on demand and growth of the segment.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.